All right, this is a Swiss ball crunch. So this is a fantastic way to really get that core fired up. Now with core work, sometimes less movement is more. So I want you to really focus on your core control here with this exercise. I'm going to show you 2 levels. The first level is what you'll start off with, and then if you find that you can push a little more, then you can move to level 2. So level 1, you want to walk so that your bum is just off the ball. Take your hands behind your head, lean back, and then as you crunch up, think about rib cage, pulling to the hips to engage the core. Take it back. Lift up, pull belly button to spine, and release. Lift on up. Now, if you find this to not be as challenging, you can always bring it up to the next level where you'll walk the bum a little bit more on the ball, so I have less of my back on the ball. Hands behind the head. Take it down with control, and then crunch it up. As I come up, I'm thinking about pushing my bum into the ball, and that's going to really fire up the core and take your breath away.